Navigating the vast oceans today is a complex task, and SDAS, or Electronic Chart Display and Information System, plays a crucial role in ensuring that merchant ships can do so safely and efficiently. ECDIS has revolutionized maritime navigation by replacing traditional paper charts with digital systems that provide real-time data and enhanced situational awareness. There are two main types of ECDS systems: standalone and integrated. Standalone ECDS operates independently, while integrated systems combine ECDS with other bridge technologies, such as radar and AIS, for a more comprehensive navigation experience. Understanding these differences is essential for choosing the right system for your vessel. Testing ECDIS is vital for maintaining its accuracy and reliability. Manual testing involves a series of practical steps that can be conducted on board. First, ensure that the system is properly calibrated and that the latest electronic navigational charts are loaded. Next, verify the system's position accuracy by cross-referencing with GPS data. Regular checks of the display and functionality are also necessary to catch any discrepancies early. For a more scientific approach, performance verification methods can be employed. This includes conducting tests under various conditions to assess the system's response and reliability. It's important to document these tests meticulously, as they not only ensure compliance but also enhance safety at sea. Speaking of compliance, the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, has set forth crucial regulations regarding ECDIS usage, particularly under SOLAS Chapter 5. These regulations mandate that vessels equipped with ECDIS must adhere to specific standards and undergo regular updates. Understanding these regulations is key to ensuring that your ship remains compliant and safe. When it comes to ECDIS testing intervals, it's recommended to perform checks weekly. This includes reviewing logbook entries to ensure that all tests and updates are documented. Proper log keeping is not just a regulatory requirement. It's a best practice that can save lives by ensuring that all navigational data is accurate and up to date. In the unfortunate event of an ECDIS malfunction, knowing the first response steps is critical. Always have a backup navigation system in place, whether it's a secondary ECDS or traditional paper charts. Familiarize yourself with troubleshooting procedures, as quick action can mitigate risks and prevent accidents. Mastering ECDIS is not just about understanding technology. It's about enhancing your skills as a navigator and ensuring the safety of your vessel and crew. Whether you're a seasoned mariner or a maritime student, grasping the intricacies of ECDIS will empower you to navigate with confidence in today's digital age. In conclusion, ECDIS is an indispensable tool in modern maritime navigation. By understanding its types, testing methods, and the regulatory framework surrounding it, you can ensure that you're not only compliant but also equipped to handle the challenges of navigating the open seas. Embrace this technology and let it guide you safely through the waters.